move this motion. We don't have to wait for a constitutional amendment. And therefore, Mheshimiwa Kiraitu, give us that copy. Even Senator Wambua wanted to work on it immediately. Even in the Senate, ikitoka kwa National Assembly, Senate mara moja. We don't have to wait. We all believed in the BBI, and there are things that need constitutional amendment. Those ones will await the outcome of the next election. But lakini hii wanaosema watapatia watu mashinani pesa hii, tuanze na hiyo pesa saa hii.
Now we in the bus, we have decided to take a very clear political position. Kalonzo is my friend. Even Raila was my friend because I was even his lawyer at one time. But we are not going to vote for friendship. We are going to vote for interests. You say in politics, there are no permanent friends or permanent enemies, but there are permanent interests.